Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the F33 320D MSport Saloon. Presented in Estrel Blue, and alongside that superb exterior colour we've added a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit. The vehicle itself has come in recent part exchange and the previous owner has carried out some very nice additions of his own. Alongside that, this vehicle is a superbly spec car, and I'll talk you through those specifications as we make our way around. The vehicle itself came in on the 19-inch 403M alloy wheels. However, we've had those professionally refurbished in the gloss black, and that ties in very nicely with the previous owner's modifications in the form of having the roof wrapped in gloss black, alongside the mirror caps also being painted in gloss black, which looks really great set against that Estrel blue. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2015 15 plate, also has angel light and xenon headlamps, and down the side of the car you will see it's a very clean and tidy vehicle. Alongside those very nice alloys, you'll see behind them a set of the MSport Plus brakes, and on this car that does mean we've got the full BMW MSport Plus package. Included in that is also the sun protection glazing. You'll see down the side of the car the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. The interior is the very nice black Dakota leather, which in this car comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. We've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course that incredible Harman Kardon surround sound. In terms of the rear seat configuration, it is of course an Isofix 3-seat rear bench, and another option for this car is the split folding seat, as you can see there, and we'll just pop that back into position and show you that that is all nice and clean as well. Central folding armrest, of course, darkened MSport headlining, and there you can see those standout calipers sitting behind those lovely 19-inch wheels. Once again, we added a high gloss rear spoiler to this car alongside the matching diffuser, and of course that large boot space, and of course that's further being extended of course by those split folding seats. Very clean and tidy in there, and really well kept as this car. Moving around to the other side, you'll be able to see that Estrel blue working very nicely, again with all of the additions we've made alongside that fantastic gloss black roof. Moving on inside the car, as there is yet more special features to show you in the interior. We've got power folding mirrors. We've also got the extended storage. Another nice option is the fantastic professional wide navigation and media screen. And we'll start with the sat nav. Really user-friendly system. We've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection. External devices is for your USB, AUX, and of course Bluetooth audio we've already mentioned. Down here is the dual climate controls, along where you'll find the switches for these lovely heated seats. The car itself's covered just over 65,000 miles. Did of course speak briefly about that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Does also have cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on this very nice multifunction MSport steering wheel. And I should now talk you through the service requirements and service history of the car. Its next service is due in 16,000 miles time, and does have 3 recorded services with BMW. The last one was at 64795, as you can see there, and that was for a major service including all of the filters, which is of course great news, because in 16,000 miles time the only thing that's going to be due is a very basic oil and oil filter change. So thanks once again for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and find it useful, and of course if you do want to get in touch, you'll always find all of the relevant contact information in the description down below, alongside a link to our website, where of course you can take the time, view the pictures of this car along with funding and prices for the car. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.